Welcome to Safe Travel, your comprehensive guide. Whether you're an experienced traveler or embarking on your first journey, this audio guide will provide you with essential tips and precautions to ensure your safety throughout your travels. Let's dive in. Number 1. Pre-travel preparation. Before you set off on your adventure, it's crucial to make proper preparations to minimize risks. Here are some key steps to follow. Research your destination thoroughly, including local customs, laws, and any travel advisories. Ensure you have the necessary travel documents, such as a valid passport, visas, and identification cards. Consider purchasing travel insurance to protect yourself against unforeseen circumstances. Make copies of your important documents, including passports and itineraries, and keep them separate from the originals. Share your travel plans with trusted friends or family members. Number 2. Transportation safety. Whether you're traveling by plane, train, bus, or car, safety should always be a priority. Here are some transportation safety tips to keep in mind. When flying, listen to the safety instructions provided by the crew and follow all procedures, including wearing your seatbelt during the flight. When using public transportation, be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings. If driving, obey traffic laws, wear your seatbelt, and avoid distracted driving. Number 3. Accommodation security. Your choice of accommodation plays a significant role in your safety while traveling. Consider these security measures. Research and choose reputable accommodations with positive reviews and good security measures. Lock your doors and windows when inside your accommodation. Use hotel safes or secure lockers to store your valuables. Be cautious about sharing personal information with strangers. Number 4. Health precautions. Staying healthy during your travels is essential. Here are some health precautions to prioritize. Consult a healthcare professional regarding necessary vaccinations or medications for your destination. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit with essential items for minor injuries and illnesses. Maintain good hygiene practices, such as washing your hands frequently and using hand sanitizers when necessary. Stay hydrated and be mindful of food and water safety. Consume bottled water and eat at reputable establishments. Number 5. General safety tips. To ensure a safe travel experience, keep these general safety tips in mind. Stay alert and aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas or unfamiliar environments. Avoid displaying valuable items openly and be discreet with your belongings. Research and familiarize yourself with the local customs and cultural norms to blend in with the local community. Keep emergency contact numbers and important addresses readily accessible. Inform someone trustworthy about your travel plans, including your itinerary and expected return date. Congratulations! You've completed Safe Travel, your comprehensive guide. By following these tips and precautions, you're well equipped to navigate the world safely. Remember, your safety is a top priority, so always stay vigilant and adapt to the specific circumstances of each destination. Safe travels!